Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and beautiful collection of women stylish and beautiful jewelry, women crocheting designs, different ideas, different styles, different color combination contrasts, beautiful designing ideas for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most beautiful designing ideas. Latest uploading ideas, latest earring designs, crochet earring designs decorated with flowers, beaded stones, mind-blowing ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet earring designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful earring designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can wear these very beautiful earring designs in the birthday party or wedding party or school, college when you go office work with your matching dress designs, matching dress colors. You can make these very beautiful crochet earrings simply if you know crochet work. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video? How was the designs of women stylish and beautiful crocheting designs? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.